Approximately 2 months are remaining for the launch of the OPPO Find X8 series, which includes at least 3 models, such as the Find X8, X8 Pro, and X8 Ultra. It is speculated that the Find X8 and X8 Pro will hit the Chinese market in October and the Ultra may go official in January 2025. Tipster Digital Chat Station shared the design of standard Find X8. OPPO Find X8 may be equipped with the Dimensity 9400 chipset. The X8 Ultra, which may feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Find X8 series, may debut in the first quarter of 2025. The new phone will be thinner than its predecessor but will bring a major improvement in the battery department with a new cell that will have 6,000 mAh capacity. The manager revealed that the Find X8 Ultra will have an IP68 certified body against water and dust ingress with a glass back. The body will be thinner than 9.5 mm. Speaking of screens, the Find X8 series will have a variety of displays, including 1.5K flat screens, 1.5K shallow curved screens, and 2K shallow curved screens, and will also have a smaller camera bulb. A new leak, courtesy of Tipster Digital Chat Station, sheds light on the camera setup of the Ultra variant. Popular Tipster Digital Chat Station, in a Weibo post, claimed that the OPPO Find X8 Ultra will sport 450-megapixel cameras like the Find X7 Ultra, 2 of which will be periscope telephoto units. While DCS didn't mention what sensors OPPO will use for the Find X8 Ultra, DCS claimed the OPPO Find X8 Ultra is expected to exceed the 200-megapixel periscope telephoto's capabilities, meaning it could outperform the Vivo X100 Ultra's 200-megapixel periscope telephoto camera in terms of zooming. The device is likely to face competition from phones like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Xiaomi 15 Ultra, Honor Magic 7 Ultimate, and Vivo X200 Ultra. We'll have to wait for more information about the OPPO Find X8 Ultra. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.